I just found more than 5 completely free HTML and CSS templates and websites that will make your projects look like you hired a professional designer. And yes, all the source code is included. Let me show you. Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Crew. I'm Anis. If you're building websites or working on front-end projects, you know how time-consuming it is to design everything from scratch. Today I'm sharing more than 5 production-ready templates that you can download right now, customize in minutes, and use in your portfolio of client projects. I've tested each one and I'll show you how exactly what makes them special. All the download links are in the description below, and I've added timestamps so you can jump to whichever template interests you most. Let's dive in. First off, this stunning portfolio website template, and this one is one of my personal favorite because it solves the biggest problem most developers face, showcasing your professional. Uh, Look at this clear navigation that have given that you can clearly see in the same page. So this is a full one-page template, so it doesn't scroll. So the whole page can be seen in one window. So and check out how your projects are displayed in this beautiful grid layout that they have done the navigation. And here each link opens in a light box with description like technologies used and about your portfolio and different buttons. This is exactly what recruiters and clients want to see. And here's the best part, it's fully responsive. Watch how it adapts perfectly to mobile devices. No extra work needed. So this is how it shows the light boxes in each link that you see. If you go to work and if you go to about section, contact, forms, so everything pops up in one page. You don't have to scroll, so everything is in one page. It will be easy for you. And let me show how it works responsively. So it's already responsive and you don't have to make any changes to this. You see on the mobile, and let me go to tablet. So that's how it looks. And when you go to the code is super clean too. Everything is organized with the clear comments. So customizing your colors, fonts, content takes literally in minutes. If you go to like CSS, so just go to CSS properly and comment that, and it's so clear to see even the JavaScripts that you have. So if you go to these functionalities, it's clearly mentioned what needs to be done. So you don't have to do anything. So they have called all the libraries here and the main CSS files and whatever the font awesome, like whatever the external libraries that need, all are here. So you don't have to do anything here. If you want to do any changes, you can go through the CSS and JS parts of it. And they have provided the SCSS as well, so you can work on the SCSS part of it. So and you can compile the SCSS and output here CSS, that is also there. If you're a developer, designer, or freelancer looking to land clients or jobs, this template is your starting point. So template number two, this is conversion focused landing page. And if you are launching a product, service, or even a course, this is what you need. So when you load it, it loads with a smooth transition. It starts with a powerful hero section, a clear headline, compelling subheadline, a prominent uh, way of using the page, and you can see a CTA section here, CTA button as well to sign up. And you can scroll through each section by clicking on this arrows, and it has given this parallax movements as well for images using JS. So these are already built in, so you don't have to do anything. So while you scroll, these feature sections pops in smoothly. And you can see If you go to this section, you can mention this as a testimonial section or else a pricing section. You can change it as per you want. So just copy and paste and then change the content as you want. And there's a subscription section, and then the footer. And in this template you could see layouts as well. So left sidebar likewise, and then you can take like right sidebar. You can choose any other sidebars, but you got no sidebars, so they are that kind of layouts also there to choose. And you can find all the elements here on this template. It's very easy for you to go to what are the templates that you use in this theme. So it will be very helpful for you to go and check on it what you could do. And this also a responsive template. It's already, you don't have to worry about making it responsive. And the code wise, if you go, the code is also formatted properly and very easy to understand, and a clean code. Even CSS. Just go to and play on this, guys. And if you see, this parallax animation is done through JavaScript, and you can find it in the JS file in the source code. I have put it in the description. Once you download it, you could find it. This kind of template will be very suitable for, like, if you are selling software, services, or digital products. This template has everything, and you need to convert visitors into customers. This is where things get really impressive. This 3D parallax scrolling website. This is the kind of effect that usually requires expensive JavaScript libraries. So when you see, you can see the smoke of it. As you scroll, watch how different layers move different at different speeds. So creating that depth effect. The background moves slower than the foreground. It's mesmerizing. Let's check on mobile wave. Looks much smoother on mobile as well. And here's fine. Let's check on iPad. Yes, it's awesome. The way it moves, and when you scroll on it, it's very smooth. You feel like keep scrolling. Okay. And I can show you some of other templates as well that you could use. So this is a simple kind of landing page. So while it loads something like this, and it shows whatever need to be shown in the landing page, pricing and features and like CTAs, everything. And for these kind of templates, you can improve by adding these kind of effects as well for your hero or whatever. Like, this is a parallax moving effect. While you move the mouse cursor, it moves each layer differently, so it looks awesome when you add it in a section. So in a site, it will be very attractive. And this is something like a horizontal scrolling with parallax, so you can see the image moves and while you scroll. So I've added all these links in the description below. Please check on it. Let me know which template you like and you would go with for your website. Let me know in the comment section. Template 4 is beautifully animated login and sign up form. Now I know what you are thinking, it's just a form, but watch this. Uh, as you type on this form, in real time it gives validation and smooth transmission animation. Valid email, you get instant feedback with a gentle shake animation color change. So let's add some email address. Okay, I'm adding some password. Let's check remember. So and you can see the submit password. You can hide the password and show the password as well. So it's very interesting that have that already. And once you submit, you will get the nice animation with that check mark and that successful message as well. So it's very nice to look. So this is one template in them. So there's another template that I choose that's also very attractive uh, as you edit and when you fill it. So here also you will get that smooth animation that's successful, and it's very satisfying animation that you get here as well. And this is like a funky form where you can see mostly for like gaming websites or something like that. You could use it, and let's say we're adding like that, and then enter. This is how it looks once you submit it. See how it looks. So it's so funky and so attractive and satisfying to see. And if you're building any kind of web application or membership sites, this will save your hours of work. So you could use something like this form or something already, and you can make the changes as you need for your website, and you can carry on with it. So it will save most time. So template 5. So these are a couple of button options, hover effects that I have, hover and click effect that I have chosen. But these are not basic hover changes. So these are like next level animations that they have made. So you wouldn't have seen in so many sites, but these are very rare animations that you could use in your sites as well. So one of the example for this button, if you see on hover, it's close, and on click, see how it looks. It's awesome. And let's go to another button that I have used. So on hover, it gives you the pressing effect as well. When you press, it goes much more deeper inside. When hover, it goes a bit into that. The depth is high when you press it. So this button is also very cool that so I chose that to show you. And this is some kind of 3D button effect. When you hover on that, see how it looks. So this is something really nicely animated. Gives you a CSS, and when you put it like dark mode, you can see how it shows. And another button effect. So this pops out when you hover on it. And this is another way of button style that they have done, another animation. It looks so unique. Let's see. So when you need a call to action button, a form submit button, or navigation element, this collection has you covered, I think. If you want your website to stand out and leave a lasting impression, this template will absolutely blow people away. Guys, this is the bonus template I would like to show you. This is Studio Wa. It's fully free. It's a very attractive and fully fledged website, and it's so satisfying. Each section of the site has been built so professionally. So if you want to launch a professional website for your company or for your portfolio, this is the best I would recommend. You can see the stories from clients and UI users, statuses, and the team and pricings and clients. See how it shows the logo sliders and the FAQ sections, the recent news, forms. You can see and about us. Projects, blog page, services, so when you scroll to each section, it's smoothly showing with a fade effect. It's so satisfying and awesome. Let me show you this process responsiveness of it. It's already done perfectly. Super. Okay, so we just covered more than 5 amazing templates, but let me give you some quick tips on how actually use these effectively. First, don't just use them as is. Change the colors to match your brand, swap out the images, and customize the content. Make it yours. The second, combine elements from different templates. Love the buttons from template 4. Use them in template 1. That's the beauty of module CSS. Third, study the code. These templates are learning resources. Open the CSS file, read through it, understand how the effects work. You will level up your skills fast. And finally, give credit where it's due. All the templates are free, but if you use them in client projects, consider supporting the original creators. Link to everything are in the description. I also organized all 5 templates in one GitHub repository with setup instruction and my customization tips. That link is in the description too. So which template are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one. And if you want more front-end tutorials, UI design tips, and free resources like this, make sure you're subscribed with notification on. I post new videos every week. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want me more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, all download links are in the description, including my organized GitHub repo with all 5 templates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep creating awesome stuff. Peace.